This is who I wanted to talk to y'all about. What is up, YouTube? It's your love Iyele, and today I'm back here with another video for y'all. I know I haven't had a real video when I just come on here and talk instead of posting like dubs matches and stuff, but today I decided to come to y'all to talk to y'all about certain things. I have a pimple right here. Don't say nothing in the comments because I already know. This is who I wanted to talk to y'all about. This is Chance. And Chance is 2 months old, and I got him at the Fulton County Animal Center. Come here.
He is 2 months old.
And this is my baby, and I've been having him for like 2 weeks now, and I decided to get him because he was found in the grass, like in the middle of a grass somewhere. And yeah, he's very bad. And he actually has been stressful, but I love him so much. But this is Chance. Chance is 2 months, and I don't know what he is really. I know he's okay. I know he's kind of like a pit bull, but if y'all can look up close, stop, look at the camera. Look. Okay, he doesn't want to pay attention. Stop. But he loves all the attention in the world. And I plan on getting another dog soon, probably the same one as him, because I will be moving out when I turn 18, so that's not too long. So I plan on having him and a new puppy at my new place. Yeah, he's 2 months old. His name is Chance, and we don't know what he is, but I want to let y'all know the reason why I haven't been posting is because like basketball started and I started doing bad in school, but now I'm good. That's why I'm coming back slowly. I'm coming to post things and certain stuff to make sure I keep y'all updated, because again, y'all stop, because y'all are like a family to me. Also, don't want to leave y'all out or let y'all miss anything that happens. But yeah, I will be back. I'm coming back soon. Just know. And this video is very short, I already know. And I will see y'all in the next video.